Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the broken clip. Look for the busted latch or missing teeth so you know how to fix it. Once done, clear surrounding debris and disconnect tension parts. This prevents snapback. Make sure to choose the correct replacement part or adhesive based on material. Plastic versus nylon behave differently, so the repair will hold. While you prepare tools, position the workpiece under good light and steady it. This small setup reduces mistakes and speeds the repair. Now you rebuild or replace the clip mechanism. First, remove only the broken elements so you preserve alignment. Then, if you repair, use a plastic weld or two-part epoxy applied in thin layers. This restores tensile strength. If you replace, select a clip with identical pitch and pin diameter so it mates perfectly. Once aligned, clamp for the recommended cure time and move the assembly through its range. That confirms the latch will engage repeatedly without binding. Finish by reinstalling the repaired or new clip and reapplying the original load so you validate function under real conditions. You should cycle it 5 to 10 times. Watch for creeping, looseness, or fractured material. These signs tell you the fix needs reinforcement. If something goes wrong, replace with a higher-grade clip or add a secondary fastener like a zip tie or metal clamp. Doing this prevents repeat failure and gives you a reliable, long-term solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.